Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about Crypto.com, who has been doing a great job with their messaging lately, but the price action does look like it may be bottoming versus Bitcoin and versus the US dollar right now, which is spectacular. And the main message for this video, guys, and I'm going to walk you through it, is when everybody's doing something, you don't necessarily need to do that. In fact, sometimes doing the opposite can pay and reward you greatly, guys. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the FUD against Crypto.com and some of the recent price movement for XRP as well. So let's take a peek at Crypto.com XRP today, see what's going on, hop into the content, guys. If you like this video, smash a like, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you guys, and many giveaways are coming for our loyal members and subscribers on the channel. Today, the weekend price action is low. XRP is trending for great reason, and I had a prediction about XRP I'll share with you guys in a second. But as for the price of Coin right now, currently coming in at rank number 36 at 6 cents, up 6.3% over the last 7 days, which is pretty darn good, guys. But I saw this tweet and I wanted to make this video for you guys because I thought it was awesome. Crypto.com tweeting out, "This week was a reminder to never falter in the face of adversity." So what does this mean? When the markets are crashing, guys, when the markets are going downward, when everybody is fearful, if you panic sell on a position that you believe in, you are setting yourself up for failure. Now, however, if everybody's panicking and you are buying when there is blood in the streets, when there is fear in the face of adversity, when it looks, why would I ever buy this thing? It's falling down. If you believe in the future of that project, of that coin, of that stock, whatever it might be, are you sticking to your guns, or are you caving to society, to those around you, to the panicking, to the emotions going on in the market? Are you panicking in the face of adversity? Because that is typically not a fantastic strategy. Now, what are they talking about here, though? They're talking about XRP specifically because recently they relisted XRP on the Crypto.com exchange. Every exchange needed to delist it because they were afraid, in the face of adversity, they were afraid of issues with the regulators, with the SEC coming out with comments saying XRP is a security. If you're an exchange and you list a known security, then you are promoting the sale of securities, which is against the law, unless they're registered properly with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which none of these products are yet because this regulation isn't clear enough. Now, if you held your XRP through all the court cases, then you are a champion. And you got rewarded wildly because the price of XRP before the news was at about 50 cents and it was at lower points at some point in this bear market. But now it's up at 70 something cents. It was up at 90 cents the other day. And you're up almost double on your money, at least from 50 cents, which is fantastic. Maybe up 30, 40% right now. At least from 50 cents, which is fantastic. In the face of adversity, they didn't falter, and so they're reaping the rewards. Now, Crypto.com, Kraken, Coinbase, they all joined in on relisting this because it's safe for them to do now, but they've all been excited for everybody that's been holding this token and patient with it. Now, Crypto.com themselves, they've got a story with adversity too. We've seen times where they've had to go and tweet out saying, hey, people are talking about layoffs. We're fine. Don't worry about it. It's adversity. Did you quit on Crypto.com? Because if you did and you were selling at 5 cents, well, here we are at 6 cents today. You missed out on some upside, right? These are some of the things you got to think about. When FTX shut down as an exchange and people were wondering, is Crypto.com solvent? What did you do? Did you dollar cost average in at 5 cents? And are you up a little bit now? And what happens when Coin gets back up to 30 cents? Or what if we do dip down a little bit lower? Do you still believe in this exchange? If you do, did you buy the project when it was down, when there was blood in the streets? Because if you've made it through all this adversity, guys, and you've made it through other bear markets, then you know that this is a bumpy road. In fact, CZ put out a tweet the other day talking about how it's never just a straight path to the finish line. There are hurdles, there are pits with spikes in them, there is fires, there's hoops to jump through along the way. It is very difficult through tough times. But the people that stick around and like crypto.com building and not giving up in times of adversity succeed. XRP is a fantastic example, and crypto.com is a fantastic example as well. Now, the other side of that coin, guys, is when everybody's doing something, right? You want to think about what's happening on the opposite side. Now, when XRP rallied after this news, before crypto.com listed it, XRP rallied, and I said to myself, oh, it's gonna get listed on Coinbase. I'm not gonna buy it right away. Why? And I said that on a live stream. Well, why wouldn't you buy it? Well, it was at 80 cents at the time it got listed on Coinbase, and then it crashed down all the way to 66 cents. You could have gotten a massive discount if you wanted to buy XRP after people FOMO'd in. This is FOMO, guys. This is fear of missing out. This is excitement. This is following the crowd if you bought on this spike. Now, I'm not saying that XRP isn't going to go back up to $1 this week, this month, next month, this year. I'm not saying that at all. But I am saying for those of the people that saw the price spike up and then saw the news that Coinbase was listed and said everybody's getting XRP right now, was it the best move to buy it at that moment? Clearly, the answer in this circumstance, and it's not always the case, was no, because there was a bigger discount you could have got, and it's still significantly cheaper, down at like 74 cents. Now, this thing could spike up to $1. Likely, guys, I expect this thing to retrace back down to at least 56 cents, in my opinion, just because you kind of explode out. We got to kind of retest some of these other levels right here at like, let's just say, I'm going to put a little mark here, right around here, something around there. Wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce off that, but I also wouldn't be surprised to see a potential pursuit of this dollar XRP line, and we'll put that in there as well. Which one comes first? If I had to take a bet, I'd say it's this. But what's the point here? The point is, guys, is if everybody's FOMOing, you might want to take some profit because this thing's due for a retracement. Or if everybody's panicking out of an exchange, you might want to say, well, do I want to panic out of the exchange, or am I going to put myself in a more risky position by moving my money around too fast based on conjecture from people around me, right? Can't go with the crowd, guys. We got to stick with our guns, with our research through adversity. And same thing for crypto.com. There was fear there. Look what's going on, guys. We look like we're finally potentially reaching a bottom, at least for CRO versus Bitcoin. And for CRO versus the dollar, guys, it is also looking spectacular. Looking like this is a weekly candle, potential good bounce off this. Love to see us get back up to 8 cents here in the next couple weeks. We'll have to see how it plays out, guys. But what are you doing in the face of adversity? Are you doubling down? Are you dollar cost averaging? Are you panicking out? And are you thinking about your decisions when there's excitement, whether it's negative emotion or positive emotion? Are you thinking about it? Are you thinking it through? Because in the end, guys, history shows that the people with strong level heads tend to succeed. Now, not financial advice, guys, not telling you to buy crypto today, not telling you don't buy it today. I'm just saying when you see a crowd moving, you should assess yourself within that crowd, see what's going on, see what you actually believe in, and then make your decisions from there. Historically, people with strong hands in markets, if you held the S&P 500 over the last 100 years, you would have done pretty well. If you hold Bitcoin since existence, you'll probably be a billionaire right now. History looks favorably on those who stay strong, and fortune favors the brave when adversity is coming along, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.